Alright, welcome back everyone. We have a full crew here. It has the engine in. Jude and I have been working together here and there on that. Caleb came in on his day off because we were slammed. He's making a new drain plug out of an old drain plug. The JDM engine is installed. So Jude's through is here today. Sierra is wearing oil. She decided she was going to get all lubed up for me. She got blasted.
Yo,
You know,
blasted.
That'll wash out.
Not worried about it.
Okay. This guy left his oil cap off, so make sure it's washed down really good.
Yeah.
Even back here. And on the converter. And then I wanted to show you something super cool. There was a rodent at some point in time in here chewing on a battery cable. It would have been super cool if we would have seen him dead in there. Want to see something cool? Sierra? What? Num 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 nums.
Ooh.
Yeah, they must have been a little hungry. Sierra's selling her RX-7 today.
I am.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.